In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to control line breaks so your paragraphs look clean and readable across your designs. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. Once it loads, open your design file so you can work directly on the frame or artboard where your text lives. With your project in front of you, make sure your text is ready. That simply means you have a text layer already on the canvas. Either type your content into a new text layer or select an existing one you want to format. Here's the key idea. Text wrapping in Figma is controlled by the width of the text box. When the box has a defined width, Figma automatically moves words to the next line as needed. Select your text layer, then hover over the right edge of the text box until you see the resize cursor. Click and drag that edge inward to make the box narrower or outward to make it wider. You can drag from any side or corner, but adjusting the width is what drives wrapping. As you drag, watch the text react in real time. Narrower widths will wrap lines sooner, creating more line breaks. Wider widths reduce breaks and create longer lines. If you notice your text keeps stretching in a single line without wrapping, it means the box hasn't been given a fixed width yet. Keep dragging from the side to set that width, and wrapping will kick in automatically. Feel free to adjust it until the text feels comfortable to read. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a balanced line length, not too long, not too short, so your reader's eye can move smoothly from line to line. If you want precision, glance at the width value in the right-hand panel while you drag. That can help you land on consistent measurements across your design. If the text looks cramped or too airy once it wraps, remember that line height and paragraph spacing affect readability too. You don't have to change anything right now, but keep in mind that a small tweak to spacing can make wrapped text feel much more polished. And if you reposition the text box on the canvas, don't worry, moving it won't affect wrapping, only resizing the width will. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, open your design, make sure your text is ready, then adjust the text box by dragging its edge so it wraps exactly the way you want. Keep refining until it looks just right.